Okay, so I look like a wreck, but check out how empty this flight is.
Cabin crew, all doors in flight.
On my way to Bangkok.
Einen wunderschönen guten Tag, liebe Gäste. Mein Name ist
Okay. Bellboy, get you over there.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm an American woman that just moved to Thailand in the midst of their third COVID wave. I'm sitting here in Bangkok quarantine, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my YouTube channel. And instead of just sitting here and talking for the whole time, I'd rather show you a little bit more about what I'm about. So here's some experiences of my time here in 2019. I've never witnessed anything more beautiful. Being a part of this gives me hope for being. Hello from Thailand.